Hello YouTube, it is moving. I have my PNP halfway finished. I still need to wire the Z-axis with all the wires for the steppers and the vacuum hose and whatnot. And these are the limit switches I use, the Photec PL05N. That stands for 5mm distance to metal that it reacts, and N stands for NPN, and they are normally open. And I edited my CNC controller so these sensors can be used directly, even though they are 10 to 30 volt sensors, and I'm running in with 24 volts right now. This is my CNC controller. Of course I have a separate controller for the PNP because it needs 4 true axes instead of 3, and my phone is not focusing again. So this is the updated CNC controller and my stepper driver. Right now I'm running it with the RB8822 and with 24 volts. It's connected to my laptop, and that is running Universal G-Code platform version 2.0, nightly build, but it works without problems. And this is how I did the Y-axis. It's a NEMA 23 stepper motor. I ordered some shorter screws because this will not look nice. And that's a belt. It's 1-to-1, and it goes onto the 8mm stainless steel shaft, which has needle bearings, needle pin bearings inside here, and that's attached to the belt, and the belt goes towards the front. This is where I tension the belt, and these are parts that I 3D printed for the belt to mount to, and I also printed these little parts to mount the sensors, the proximity switches. And there's one in the front also, of course. The wiring is not finished yet, it will change of course. And let me move it for you. So right now I'm just manually jogging it. Now let me hook up my phone to the tripod. I hope you did not get seasick. Okay. What I like about the proximity sensors, they do have, okay, let me show you that too. They have built-in LEDs, so you know when they trip. And right now I'm gonna be doing the homing. That's when you saw the limit switch trip, and then it pulls off a millimeter. Okay, now the shaking is over, and I just wrote a test program that runs it to the corners. That was it. As I said, it's not finished yet, of course. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask. I did this to be a simple design with the least hardware you need to make it. I showed you the Z-axis plate I did with PCBs. Let me turn the machine off real quick here. 1 second. Sorry for the shaking. Okay, so this is the least hardware amount that you can make a PNP, or if you could use it for a laser burner or a vinyl cutter or just a plotter. I will make removable heads for this, so it can be used with all of that. So anyhow, this was my PNP finally moving. And as I said, if you have any questions, so I was gonna show this here. The Z-axis plate has built-in limit switches. Those are micro switches, and they go out with the USB plug here. And this is for the vacuum hose. And this is to lift the stepper motor, the Z-axis. I just did hang it here with a rubber band so it won't sit on the bottom switch. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it, and take care, everybody.